Hi Leo, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the week of 26th April to 2nd of May. Please keep in mind that the general readings might not resonate with each one of you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that I can see you every week and you don't miss any of my videos. Let's see. Your own card, which looks very good. You're again, okay. Which what you don't see is the hermit mode you are in right now. All right. So yes, you are strong, Leo. Definitely, you have been being strong in some situations which are bothering you, which are causing the sleepless nights. But I think this is the time. I think there's some work situation which you are really very worried about, which is going to solve quickly this week. And congratulations for keeping all the strength. You will be taming all your fears. You will be taming all your insecurities this week. Because justice is around the corner. Justice means that things will really sort out for you, themselves. You need not worry about anything. Let us see what the Major Arcana card has for you. Hierophant. Yes, you are in the Hermit Hierophant mode, but I think Hierophant tells us that listen to your intuition, listen to your heart. If something doesn't feel right, I think you should just know that it isn't right because your gut feeling is telling you. This is the week where you actually, your intuition will take you out of the situation that is bothering you. And the hermit mode that you're in, it will actually work towards making your intuition more powerful. This is the time where you'll really get justice. Let's see, for all those looking for love, what are the love messages? You are adored. Yes, people around you, there are people around you who really really uh, adore you. What would love do? So yes, again, for people who are looking for love, for people who are looking for answers in love, like I said, your intuition will guide you this week to get you out of that. So just think from the point of view of love. What will love do in this situation? It's easy for you to get out of then. That you have options is meaningful. Yes, so you have options. If a certain situation isn't working out for you, look around. You are adored. You have a lot of options. This is what the universe is asking you to do. Let's see. Let's take one more card. Let's take one more card. Joy is the ultimate creator. So somewhere I think the hermit mode that you're in, or the sleepless nights, you've forgotten to have fun, Leo. I think the more happy we are, the more funny we are, the more fun we feel in our lives, the more we attract such things, right? I know it is easier said than done, but universe is asking you to bring that joy back into your life. Do things that really make you happy, meet people that make you happy, and because things are getting sorted for you on their own way. Universe is working in your favor, so don't worry about anything. Let's see how you can handle this week. How can Leo handle this week? So I think you need to be, your conviction really needs to be strong. Whatever you have decided, whatever goal you have set for yourself, be consistent with it. Just go for it. And I think Wheel of Fortune being the first card, whatever you have decided, you will achieve. Given you work on yourself, you be happy, stay happy. Don't be sad or worried all the time. Be really dedicated to the goal that you have set for yourself, and things will definitely start. You will start seeing the result. Things will definitely start moving. This is what this message for you is this week, and God is asking you to just let go. You have options. Do not worry. You are adored. There are a lot of people who really look up to you, who really really love you beyond your flaws, beyond what you think you are, because I think it's always better to see ourselves from the eyes of the people we love. In these times when we think we are not enough, or we are not doing enough, we are not achieved enough. So this is the time we need to do all this, and things will definitely start moving forward for you. And this is a universe's promise, not mine. Cards are speaking out. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and I'll be posting out the monthly ones very soon, and I'll see you next week.